Hey guys, welcome to the tutorial. Before we dive in, the first thing you need to do is open your favorite browser, go to the official Whop website, and log in using your credentials. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can start clipping on Whop and actually earn money doing it. If you're new to Whop, it's a platform that lets you create and post short-form videos, also called clips, for different creators, and you get paid based on how many views your clips get. Unlike TikTok or YouTube, where creators might only make a few cents per thousand views, Whop campaigns can pay up to $4 or even $5 for every 1,000 views, which is a massive difference. Once you're logged in, go to the Discover tab, scroll down until you see the Content Rewards section, and click on Show All. On the left-hand side, select Clipping to filter out everything else. This will bring up all the campaigns currently looking for content creators to submit clips. You'll see info like how much each campaign pays, how much of their budget is left, and how many submissions they've already received. The top paying campaigns are usually near full, but don't worry, scroll down and you'll find plenty of active ones with good payouts still available. You can also sort the list by highest RPM to see which campaigns are paying the most per 1,000 views, or sort by newest if you want fresh, less competitive options. Once you find a campaign that interests you, click into it and check if it's free to join. If it is, just hit the Join button to get access. After joining, go to the Content Rewards section inside that campaign to check the submission rules. Create a short-form video based on their requirements, usually something for TikTok, Reels, YouTube Shorts, or X. Once you post your clip, come back to Whop and submit your video by pasting the public link and uploading the video file. Just make sure to submit it within 1 hour of publishing so your views count toward your payout.